10 years we've had GetWise in the country teaching kids their financial literacy. Now we've got an improved program, augmented reality, online portal. The kids have had a great morning, so have we.
We've been involved with the GetWise program since 2011 and we're really excited about the new refreshment. The children's response, as you saw today, was very positive. It really had fun.
Hello! You're an Earthling, aren't you?
I liked how the comic book was really interactive and you could choose your own decisions. It wasn't like, choose this.
Oh, my favourite part of the class was seeing everyone else's shopping experience afterwards.
Kids loved it. They love the relevance and the ability to actually have the power to spend and buy something and engage with crazy characters is fabulous.
You need to be wise with your shopping because, you could go bankrupt real fast, especially if you don't watch what you're spending it on and how much you spend.